In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manually unload tabs in Firefox, also known as discarding tabs, so you can free up memory and keep your browser running faster. This is a really useful trick if you have a lot of tabs open and your computer starts feeling slow, but you still want to keep everything for later. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and browser shortcuts. Let's get into it. First, open Firefox and make sure you have the tabs you want to manage already open. If you only want to unload one tab, the process is very simple. Move your mouse over the tab you want to discard, then right-click it. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Unload Tab. Click that, and Firefox will immediately unload that tab from memory. What happens next is pretty easy to spot. The unloaded tab will usually turn grey, which tells you that it's no longer actively using resources. But don't worry, the tab is not deleted. It's still there, and all your content is preserved. The important thing is that it won't keep using memory until you need it again. Now, if you want to unload multiple tabs at once, Firefox makes that possible too. On Windows or Linux, hold down the Ctrl key. On Mac, hold down the CMD key. Then click the tabs you want to select. Once you have the tab selected, right-click on one of them and choose Unload in Tabs, where N is the number of selected tabs. This is a fast way to clear out several tabs at once without closing anything. This is especially helpful if you keep research tabs, work tabs, or shopping tabs open all day. Instead of closing them and risking losing them, you can unload them and bring them back whenever you need them. It's a smart way to save RAM and reduce browser clutter. Another great thing to know is that unloaded tabs reload automatically when you click them, so if you come back to a grey tab later and select it, Firefox will refresh it and load the page again. That means you get the best of both worlds, less memory usage now, and quick access later. If you don't see the Unload tab option, make sure you are using a version of Firefox that supports it, and check whether the tab is already in a state where unloading isn't available. In most cases though, the right-click menu will give you exactly what you need. So just to recap, right-click a tab and choose Unload tab to discard one tab, or use Ctrl or CMD to select multiple tabs and unload them all together. The tabs will turn grey, stay saved, and reload when clicked. It's a simple but powerful way to keep Firefox running more smoothly. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe for more browser tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Firefox feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.